there, beauty lovers! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we celebrate everything that makes you glow, inside and out. If you've been struggling with dry, brittle, or color-treated hair that just won't bounce back, this might catch your eye. We're taking a close look at Pantene's Miracle Rescue Deep Conditioner with those intriguing melting Pro V pearls, promising intense moisture and repair in just one use. So what's under the hood? This deep conditioner is designed specifically for dry, damaged, or color-treated hair. The star of the show is Pantene's Pro V Nutrient Blend, packed into these melting pearls that claim to penetrate deep into the hair fiber. The goal? To soften, restore, and strengthen from the inside out while protecting your hair bonds from further damage. The product size is a convenient 8-ounce jar, ideal for regular home use, whether you want a daily moisture boost or a weekly repair session. Jumping into my experience, I added this conditioner to my routine after shampooing, leaving it on for the recommended few minutes. Right away, I noticed the texture was creamy yet lightweight, not greasy or heavy, which can sometimes weigh fine or color-treated hair down. It spreads smoothly through my strands, and the scent? Classic Pantene, fresh but not overpowering. After rinsing, my hair felt noticeably softer and easier to detangle. Over a week of use, my dry ends looked healthier, with less frizz and more shine, which really impressed me. I tested it in different conditions, including post-heat styling days and even after outdoor exposure, and the conditioner seemed to maintain a decent level of moisture without needing multiple applications. One thing to note, if your hair is extremely damaged, it might take consistent use to see full results, but for moderate dryness and dullness, it works nicely. Now let's balance this out. What I loved: the lightweight formula that doesn't leave residue, the genuine softness post-use, and the visible shine boost. Also, the 8-ounce jar size is practical without being wasteful. On the flip side, it doesn't deliver a miracle overnight if your hair is severely compromised. It's more of a strong maintenance and repair helper. Also, if you prefer fragrance-free products, the scent might be a mild drawback. Value-wise, this conditioner falls into the mid-range price point. Given Pantene's reputation and the Pro V complex, I'd say it offers solid value, especially for those who want salon-quality results at home without the premium salon price tag. For comparison, some higher-end deep conditioners might promise similar results but with more exotic ingredients or longer treatment times, and of course, at a higher cost. Pantene strikes a nice balance between affordability and performance. In terms of packaging and build quality, the jar feels sturdy with a secure lid, important for avoiding spills. The formula inside maintains its consistency well over time, so no complaints about shelf life or product degradation from my end. As for customer support, I haven't had direct contact, but Pantene generally has a solid reputation for responsive service and clear product information online, which adds peace of mind when purchasing. If you're on a budget but want something comparable, brands like Garnier and Herbal Essences offer similar deep conditioners with provitamins and moisturizing benefits, often at a slightly lower price. However, those might not deliver the exact same texture or ease of use, so it depends on what you prioritize. So what's the final word? Pantene's Miracle Rescue Deep Conditioner is a dependable ally for anyone battling dryness, damage, or color-treated strands. It doesn't promise instant hair miracles, but it does deliver consistent nourishment, improved manageability, and visible shine with regular use. If your hair needs that extra moisture and repair boost without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. If this review has helped you decide, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell so more beauty lovers can discover honest insights like this. Your support means the world to Beautyistic. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the purchase link down in the description or comments. And hey, if you've already tried this conditioner, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep glowing, and remember, at Beautyistic, we celebrate beauty in every strand. Stay beautiful inside and out.